Hi, my name's Arya, and my secret thing is drawing something in just a little bit of time. Now today I'm going to be drawing my stuffed avocado. I call him Avocuddle. And so first I'm going to be drawing an oval shape like this. And then another one inside. Then I'm going to draw two eyeballs. And I'm going to color them in. And then I'm going to make a mouth and some swirly cheeks. And the pit inside. Then I'm going to make the hands and feet. And then the stem with a leaf on it. Now I color. The outside green. The inside yellow. And the pit's brown. And the hands and legs and stem brown too. And lastly, I'm going to color the leaf green. Thank you for watching, everyone.